So the question is how to do the management of startup. So please remember, startup definitely have some peculiarities which are not applicable to other entities. So when you say startup, it basically means, see, remember one thing, any business that starts anywhere in the world, when it starts, it is a startup. So every business is a startup. But for the startups, the definition that has been given by the government, and these are the ventures which are more into technical areas actually. So that is why they are known as startup. तो स्टार्टअप्स का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है मनी, राइट? तो मेरा ये सोचना है, मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर आप स्टार्टअप हो, तो ये जो मिथ है ना लोगों के दिमाग में कि स्टार्टअप यानी कि बर्निंग द कैश, ये मिथ दिमाग से निकालना चाहिए, क्योंकि बर्निंग द कैश शुड नॉट बी टेकन एज ए इसेंशियल प्रे रिक्विजिट. तो ऐसा मान के नहीं चलना चाहिए कि स्टार्टअप है तो कैश बर्न करेगा ही करेगा, क्योंकि उसके चक्कर में क्या होता है, बायजूस पैदा होते हैं, पेटीएम पैदा होते हैं, बिकॉज अब वो प्राइवेट इक्विटी को मालूम है हाँ वो स्टार्टअप है तो वो तो कैश बर्न करेगा. अरे ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. अल्टीमेटली मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कैश हैज़ टू बी डन इवन इफ यू आर स्टार्टअप. सो ये तो पहले दिमाग से निकाल दीजिए कि मैं स्टार्टअप हूँ, दैट मीन्स आई एम प्रिविलेज्ड or to burn the cash. No, you must minimize the burn of the cash in any case. And number two, have your focus on your EBITDA only. Remember, today, tomorrow, day after, you have to ensure that you generate EBITDA. Paytm would not have been into trouble if they would have become EBITDA positive by now, though they have been time and again claiming that we are going to be positive EBITDA next quarter, next quarter, next quarter, but it was not happening. So for you to sustain and survive, because ultimately private equity also will have a confidence in you up to certain point. अगर एक समय उनको ऐसा लगने लगा कि भाई ये कंपनी एबिटा पॉजिटिव होने वाली नहीं है, so then there are a number of cases when the private equity people also have withdrawn their money. They have told the startup कि भाई हमको हमारा पैसा वापस करो. क्यों? Because the company is not becoming EBITDA positive. So your focus has to be on EBITDA positive. Your organization structure has to be tight, and from the very beginning you got to ensure that there is no building of fat. So as a startup, you must essentially follow Partha system. Essentially follow, and if you are the founder, then that's your responsibility, because you are the ultimately buck will stop with you. So make sure that there's a Partha system, there's a control, whatever, and the cash flow planning. जो भी है 3 4 5 साल का पूरा कैश प्लान करके लीजिए कि अगर हमारे कैश फ्लो में गैप है तो कब है, कहाँ है और कितना है, और पक्का करिए कि वो पीरियड के बाद में आपको एबिटा पॉजिटिव होना ही होना है. अगर आपको लगता है कि वो पीरियड के बाद में यू आर नॉट श्योर वेदर यू विल बी पॉजिटिव एबिटा पॉजिटिव और नॉट, देन यू थिंक सीरियसली अबाउट इट एक्चुअली. So this is how you can do the startup management.
If you are in startup phase, you have to the primary objective to accumulate the customers.
हाँ.
So to acquire the customer, you need to spend a lot of money.
Correct.
On the acquisition, like
Absolutely.
example of marketing.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So CAC is very high in terms of when you go at B2C.
Exactly. So that is what where my point is. It's perfectly, and you are right, because as a startup, you obviously need to keep on adding more customer, and the process of adding more customer has to be really fast. But please remember, only don't look at only on adding the customer, that you have to do in any case. Also keep on analyzing कि at what point, at what number of customer my cash flow will become positive. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So that is where your focus should be actually, because no company can endlessly keep on burning cash. Somewhere they have to stop, and that clarity got to be there at least in the mind of the promoter of the company, that he has to be confident, and he must have very strong conviction about it actually. And about the valuation we have discussed already, because ultimately valuation is linked with the EBITDA. Also, see, there are many methods, many approaches. I do a workshop of 3 days on how to do the valuation. So there are many methods and approaches, but the fundamental ultimately is the money. You know, the color of money is the most important thing. आपकी एबिटा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आपको अच्छे वैल्यूएशन मिलेंगे. आपकी एबिटा पोटेंशियल नहीं है, nobody will touch you even with a barge pole. So this is as far as the valuation is concerned.
Yeah, one more in the ratios, you mentioned that these are the ratio standard. Normally, if you go in a growth